So hello guys, the Cross ecosystem is leveling up with the Mainnet 2.0 breakpoint upgrade. Ibig sabihin, mas desentralisado at mas powerful na ang network natin. First, we are transitioning to Proof of Stake Authority. Ang ibig sabihin nito, hindi lang iisang grupo ang may control. Ang community at validators na ang magbabantay sa seguridad ng network. We have a zero minting policy. Ibig sabihin wala nang bagong token sa gagawin o i-print out of thin air. Fix na ang supply kaya iwas inflation tayo rito. Din tayong having base distribution schedule. So in the first year, block distribution begins at 300 million cross is reduced through block-based halving mechanism approximately 1 year, ensuring long-term sustainability the distribution model. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, sa simula, pinakamalaki ang rewards, kaya kung maaga kang mag-stake, mas malaki ang share na makukuha mo bago pa ito lumiit sa susunod na mga taon. 100 base fee burn. The base fee minimum cost for network inclusion generated on the mainnet will be 100% permanently burned. This non-reversible mechanism ensures that as network activity increase, the scarcity and efficiency of cross are structurally enhanced. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng gas na binabayad sa network susunugin or tatanggalin sa circulation. Habang tumatagal, lalong kumakaunti ang supply, lalong nagiging scarce ang cross. So mark your calendar guys, the Grand Unity Governance vote start at April 15. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka na mag-stake para sa reward na ibibigay ng isang bagsakan sa June 1. So don't miss out and then join on Cross.